Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Amazfit Neo Smartwatch. There's not much information on this box, there's a couple at the back. Let's quickly take a look. This model number is A2001 and battery capacity of 160 mAh. These are only two relevant information that we can find in the box. So let's quickly open this up. Yeah, so there's a tier over here which we can remove here. So now that we have removed the tier, let's see what's inside. There's a little tiny tab, so let's pull that particular tab. A lot of boxes in this particular one. This, I'm assuming, is the document. Yes, it is the document. This has all the product information and it's also the user manual. It's a pretty thick and very thick actually. User manual has a lot of languages and it also has a QR code. So that's it. Let's keep this on one side over here. Yeah, let's leave it here. Let's go back to the box and see what other stuff we can find here. There's a smaller box over here. Let's see what's in this. I'm assuming the charger. Yes, this is the charger, the charging dock with the USB-A connector on one end. We are probably going to need this because we probably have to charge this in order to show you how to use or how to pair this particular device. So there we are. This is the charging dock. Let's leave this one over here. And let's go back to the box again. There's nothing over here. No, nothing. Just the phone. That's all that's left. It's inside a plastic wrapper. I will attempt to remove this particular wrapper as soon as I figure out how to. There you are. That's one. And that's two. There we are. This is what the Amazfit Neo Smartwatch looks like. It's pretty good looking if you ask me. It has a retro feel to it. The silicone straps looks hardy and quite tough and durable. The phone itself looks very durable. I will put this on charge and I will come back to it. So basically I will show you in a different video how to pair this particular device to a smartwatch and also the initial setup, the initial steps that you need to take in order to set this particular device up. And that's it. That's all you will find inside the box containing the Amazfit Neo Smartwatch. Thank you for watching.